to reduce file size of a PDF on a Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your PDF, and this is not how you should open it up. You simply right click on it, then click on this option of open with, then simply select this option of preview. And at the top you would be able to find the option of file right beside the preview option. Simply click on it, then select this option of export, and over here give your PDF file a name. Then under the quotes filter, simply select it. Then you would find this option of reduce file size. Simply select it, then select the location where you want this particular new file to be saved. After that, click on this option of save, and this way you would be able to save the new file with reduced size. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.